The science of time, why time exists and how it shapes everything. Time, you can't touch it, yet you feel it. You can't see it, yet it shapes everything you'll ever experience. It ticked before you were born. It will continue long after you're gone. And every heartbeat, every decision, every moment of joy or sorrow happens inside its flow. But what is time really? Most people go through life without questioning it. We follow clocks, calendars, routines, thinking time is something outside of us. But the truth is stranger, much stranger. Time is not universal. It's not constant. It doesn't move at the same speed for everyone. And the more you look at it, the more it slips between your fingers. Like something alive, something ancient, something woven into the structure of reality itself. Tonight, we're going to explore time from every angle, through physics, biology, cosmology, philosophy, and even the limits of our understanding. So, get comfortable, because we're about to dive into the deepest river the universe ever created. Section 1. How we discovered time wasn't what it seemed. For most of human history, time was simple. The sun rises, the sun sets, seasons change, people age, life moves forward. Ancient civilizations built sundials, water clocks, and celestial calendars. They believed time was steady, like a drumbeat the universe followed. Then, in the early 1900s, everything changed. Einstein looked at the universe and said, "No, time does not stand alone. It bends, it stretches, it flows differently depending on your motion and gravity. Imagine two twins. One stays on Earth, the other travels on a spaceship at incredible speed, close to the speed of light, and then returns. The traveling twin comes back younger. Not just feels younger, is younger. This isn't science fiction. This is relativity, proven, tested, measured. Even the GPS in your phone only works because satellites orbiting Earth experience time differently, and their clocks must be corrected every day. Time is not a river flowing at one speed. It's more like a landscape with hills, valleys, and curves, and each of us walks through it differently. Section 2. The arrow of time and why your life only moves forward. You remember your childhood, but you can't remember your future. You watch a glass fall and shatter, but it never jumps back together. You age, but you never grow younger. Why does time have a direction? Physics gives us a surprising answer. Entropy, the natural tendency of things to move from order to disorder. A cup of hot tea cools down. Rooms get messy unless you work to clean them. Stars burn fuel until they die. Everything drifts from order to chaos, and this drift gives time its direction. It's not time that moves forward. It's the universe sliding toward disorder, and we simply experience that slide as time. If entropy ever flowed backward, time itself would reverse. Section 3. How your brain creates time. The speed of time, the way it feels, is not real. It's a psychological construction. Your brain measures time using patterns, electrical pulses, neural rhythms, memory formation, attention. And these systems are not perfect. That's why the boring moments drag on, and the beautiful moments vanish too quickly. Time feels fluid because your brain is constantly reconstructing it. Memory is key. The more memories you form, the longer an interval feels in hindsight. Childhood feels long because everything is new. Adulthood feels fast because routine erases novelty. Time isn't speeding up, you are. Section 4. The birth of time. According to modern cosmology, time started at the Big Bang. Before that moment, before had no meaning. Time, space, energy, matter, all came into existence together. Picture a point smaller than an atom. Dense, hot, silent. Then, expansion, light, motion, structure. As the universe grew, time grew with it. You are living in a timeline that began 13.8 billion years ago. and you're part of its unfolding story. Section 5, the end of time. Fast forward billions of years into the future. All stars have burned out. Galaxies drift apart. Black holes evaporate. Matter decays. Entropy reaches its maximum. This is the heat death of the universe, a silent, motionless, frozen era. And in that stillness, time becomes meaningless. Time only exists where something can happen, when nothing can change. Time cannot flow. Section 6, time travel. Traveling into the future, completely possible. Relativity proves it. Traveling into the past, that's where paradoxes break the rules. The grandfather paradox, causal loops, bootstrap problems. Still, exotic possibilities remain. Wormholes, rotating black holes, quantum fluctuations, even multiverse branching. Most physicists doubt backward travel, but nothing in science is fully closed. The universe has shocked us before. Section 7, the quantum mystery. At the quantum level, time behaves strangely. Some theories say time may not be fundamental. It may emerge from entanglement information or the structure of consciousness itself. In the block universe model, past, present, and future all coexist. Your consciousness simply experiences each moment one slice at a time. You're not moving through time. You're moving through the story of yourself. Section 8, your life in time. Your life is a collection of moments, some bright, some heavy, some invisible until later. Time shapes you, but you also shape your time. Every memory you create, every decision you make, writes your personal timeline. Time isn't the enemy, it's the medium of your becoming. Final closing. So what is time? A dimension, a direction, a rhythm, an illusion, a story. But this moment, the one you're living right now, is uniquely yours. Take a breath. Feel it. You are the traveler. Time is the road. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe to NeuroLens channel. Stay curious, stay open, and keep asking the big questions.